Ready to supercharge your data analysis skills by combining the power of Python with the visual storytelling of Tableau. First, we'll need to get Python set up and ensure you've got Python installed, along with libraries like Pandas and Scikit-learn, which are the workhorses for many data tasks. You'll need a Python environment compatible with Tableau, meaning a 64-bit installation is usually necessary. Next, navigate within Tableau to manage extensions. This is where the magic happens, where you will be incorporating and utilizing our Python scripts. Tableau interacts with Python scripts to perform calculations, execute analytical models, and produce results, enhancing your data explorations. Now, establish the connection. You'll configure Tableau to communicate with your Python environment using a specific extension that leverages the TabP service. This enables secure communication. You'll need to install TabP on your machine. You may encounter a few setup hurdles here, but you'll find numerous online guides to walk you through. To use Python within Tableau, create a calculated field. Inside this field, a special function will call your Python script. This special function can specify the input data, the Python script to run, and the desired output. The calculated field function specifies the server to use, the script to execute, and the input and output parameters. Think of the inputs as your data set to Python, and the outputs are the results brought back to Tableau. So once it is active, we are working between the two programs. When building the calculated field, make sure the format matches what will be required on the Tableau side. Make this function and the data work together. And now deploy. The result is a fully integrated dashboard. You've seamlessly extended Tableau's analytical capabilities. Use this integration to incorporate advanced machine learning models. Implement custom visualizations like those using Python's Matplotlib or Seaborn libraries, and generate even more sophisticated insights from the data. Have fun and enjoy creating and analyzing your data.